here's the deal. As far as opening up an account, if you have a non-resident account, you can actually go to some of these banks, especially FNB, I think Standard as well. If you don't have a resident status here, and you got to keep that, you got to, they're not trying to keep you out. They just it's for the residents. It's like a South Africa, you can't go to America and just open up a Bank of America account because you want to and put it in. But they do have a non-resident account. So when money goes into that account, it needs to be accounted for. It needs to be accounted. Like you wire it in, it goes through the whole wire process, and then it will be in that account. And then when you get here, you can use your card to swipe and things along that line. And then you can also, like if you like obviously they say you got like a USAA account. Does Air Force qualify for USAA?
Listen, I have USAA. Oh, wait a minute. I have Navy Federal.
Okay.
Go. I see you getting them back, ain't you? It's like
no, just messing with you. But I wasn't sure they qualified. Just from what I've seen.
He's a mess.
This is so funny. Anyway, I always have Marines nipping at my heels all the time, so I gotta do the same. But no, and so then you can use your card, take out the money and deposit it in your account at the ATM. So there's a lot of there's a few checks and balances, but it can be done. And then once let's say you applied and you got one of the visas, right? And of course we can assist people with that you send an email to outreach@therealsouthafrica.com. We got a company that can assist. So for example, if you retired military, there's a good possibility that you could qualify for a particular visa. So, but once you do that, then you can upgrade it to a resident visa. Now, you're qualified to be here. You're supposed to be here. You can be here. You can walk into the bank, and the only thing they're going to ask you for is your passport, and then your resident visa is like a little thing that's in your passport. They're going to ask for that, and after that, you can transact just like you would in the States. Okay. The only thing you won't be able to do, because they have a thing called an SAID, which is that like they're equivalent to their social security number. You won't have one. So as far as credit is concerned, here you will have to kind of like wait a little bit, but homes are different. Cars and credit cards or whatever, but you still, you still are an American citizen. So you can still use your Discovery, your Visa cards that you have in the States.